Here we go again.
From flying debris. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible?
Tornado warning again. Again.
The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Elbert County in northeastern Georgia, southwestern Hart County in northeastern Georgia, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. It's 7. A tornado was located 7 miles east of Demilesville, Oregon, 4 miles southwest of Bowman, moving northeast at 25 miles. Tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Bowman around 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this dangerous thunderstorm include Dewey Rose and Vanna. To a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.